Hi social media team, right, I need something from you. It's a project to represent the school, something big, something loud, and we need the video by Friday. Okay, got to go, bye guys.
Guys, she left. What are we gonna do? It's like in 2 days.
A few moments later.
So how's online school doing?
Yeah, it's been good.
Midge, shut up! Have you watched my MVA video? Is that gonna be in the video?
I don't know.
My cat keeps opening my door. Oh my gosh, hold on.
Oh my god, they're renovating my house.
I'm busy!
Guys, do you know what uni buddy sounds like?
Cass, no!
Whoa. Hi. Excuse our chaos and let me tell you more about our beautiful and amazing campaign that we are planning to launch.
Hello everyone, my name is Sophie and today I have the absolute honor to introduce you guys to the Apollo project. We will be launching a new project for all the MVA artists to participate in. So, you see this hoodie that I'm wearing along with my friends Cass and Josie.
We feel like these hoodies need a fresh change, and what other way to do it than to let our MVA student community design it. Starting from this week, everyone will have a 3-week period to work on this. The Apollo project welcomes everyone to submit a design you feel best represents our school.
5 nominees will be chosen by our beautiful students and teachers from the Ambassadors Club, which will then be voted for a winner by the entire school. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see your artwork soon. Bye!